we will see how to add products and explore the All Products page. To do this, we need to click on Products from the left side menu. Here, we can see all our store products, along with their prices, quantities, and other details. If you want to add a new product, simply click on the Add Product button. This will redirect us to the Add Products page. On the Add Products page, we need to provide the basic details of our product, including product name, product category, product price, product stock. Next, we can upload product images to showcase our item. If we need to add additional information, we can do so based on our product requirements. For products with variants such as different sizes or colors, we can add them here. Once all details are filled in, clicking the Save button will automatically save the product. Right now, I'm not saving it. I'll just go back from this page, but you can try it on your end. Once we click on the Leave button, we will be redirected back to the All Products page. If we want to update the product price, simply enter the new price in the product price box and press the Enter button. The price will be updated successfully. Similarly, we can update the product stock as well. Just enter the new stock quantity and press the Enter button. It will update instantly. So, this is how we can update product price and stock instantly without any difficult process, making inventory management quick and easy. Now, let's take a look at inventory alerts. To access this, click on the Inventory Alert button and a pop-up will appear. Here, we can set a percentage for inventory alert. For example, if we set it to 50%, it will consider the current stock as 100%. Once the stock reaches 50%, the system will send inventory alerts with the respective product details through both email and push notifications. Now, I'm clicking the Save button and the inventory alert is updated successfully. This is how we can easily set up inventory alerts to stay on top of stock levels. Next, let's take a look at bulk upload actions. When we click on bulk upload, it will redirect us to the bulk upload page, where we can perform bulk actions such as update stock, add bulk products, add bulk categories. This allows us to manage multiple products and categories quickly and efficiently. If we want to upload bulk products, simply click on Bulk Import Products. Next, download the sample file, fill in the required information, and then browse to select that file. Once uploaded, the products will be added in bulk automatically.